everyone, and welcome to another weekly vlog. The sun is shining and we are out in the garden. Here we go, we've got Oscar with us today. It's Thursday, so he's joined us. So Oscar and April are playing very nicely on April's brand new sand and water table, which she got for her birthday, which was yesterday, and she loves it. I'm starting the weekly vlog here on Thursday because I vlogged her birthday separately, which was yesterday on Wednesday, and that will have gone up already, so you most likely will have already seen that. But her birthday celebrations are not over. She's having a party on Saturday, so I need to make a cake, but apart from that it's all organised because the Soft Play Centre are doing it. It's wonderful. So this morning I've got a whole load of housework done. I'm trying to do it in preparation for Saturday because some of my family are coming up. So everybody knows your house is the cleanest when somebody comes around to visit. So I've been trying to do that this morning because tomorrow I do need to make the cake and I want to focus my time and energy on that because I'm not a brilliant cake maker. So I don't really want to be stressing out about that and trying to do housework as well. So yeah, we've done that this morning. Now we're just going to play in the sunshine. I'm going to have some lunch in the garden, and I do need to go up to the shop. So hopefully the kiddos will have a nap in the pushchair while I do that. Through the front door. So what we do in April. Having a bit of birthday cake in the pot. We've had a really nice day playing in the garden. This afternoon I thought I would bake the cake. I'm just baking a sponge cake, but ready to decorate tomorrow. I can normally do better than this, but the recipe that I followed said that that would cut into 3 layers. I don't think it's going to. But that doesn't even look remotely big enough to go into 3 layers. I don't get it. It was in quite a big tin. I did exactly what it said. So, I think I might have to bake another one in the morning. So annoying. I would do it tonight, but I'm going out tonight. I'm going to a friend's house for some pizza. So I haven't got time to do it tonight. Ah, bloody cakes. I should have just bought one. I don't know why I've insisted on making one, because every year I do this with Libby's birthday and it stresses me right out. I should just buy one. No, tomorrow it'll be fine. New day tomorrow, it'll be fine. 2 of cake in the oven at 7:45 in the morning. Let's try and get ready for school now. Libby, let's go get ready for school. What have you got to wear today? Your crown. Oh, it's very dark. Libby's got to wear a crown to school this morning because it's the royal wedding tomorrow. So we were supposed to make one at home, which I was thinking, oh man, but Rainbows came to the rescue and she made one there on Wednesday, so perfect. Nice crown, Libby. Very regal indeed.
Princess Libby.
Oh, sorry, Princess Libby. Nice crown, Princess Libby. Take 2 on the cakes is looking much better. Much better. So fingers crossed, they're decorating. All goes to plan. It is another gorgeous day. Oh, I love being able to come outside in the garden for lunch. I'm supposed to be decorating this bloody cake, but it's just too nice. So we're outside. April's playing in her water table. That was definitely a good purchase for her birthday because she seems to really, really love it. Do you like it? Do you like your water table? Yeah, she does. Anyway, she should be going down for a nap soon. And then I will try and crack on with this bloody cake. Not to blow my own trumpet, but I am really pleased with this. Can't believe how well it's come out actually. I'll give you a closer look. I think it's come out quite nice. I mean, it definitely looks homemade, but I'm quite pleased with that. And then I've got a really nice topper to go on top, which I'll put on at the party tomorrow. So that's the topper that will go on. I'll just stick it in the cake and some candles and I think it'll look really nice. Good morning. It is the day of April's birthday party. It is also the day of the royal wedding. Harry and Meghan are getting married today, so we're just watching a little bit of the build-up on the TV before we have to go to the party. Honestly, we are destined not to watch a royal wedding because when I booked April's party, I didn't realise that it was Harry and Meghan's day. Otherwise I might have probably tried to avoid it because I do like to watch stuff with the royals. But also we missed William and Kate's wedding because that was our wedding day. So I watched a bit of it while I was getting ready for my own wedding. So it was a double celebration. But we will have a little bit of a garden party this afternoon after April's party. When the mutual friends... Okay, go on then. We're going to go to the slide. There's Matthew. Woohoo! She's beautiful, isn't she? It's very clean. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear April. Happy birthday to you. Happy Sunday, everybody. We had a lovely day yesterday, didn't we? April, did you enjoy your party? Did you have fun at your party? Yeah, she did. She had lots of fun.
Yeah, and he's two.
She's two. She had lots of fun. She loved having all her friends from nursery there, so it was really, really sweet. I didn't film very much, and I didn't film anything in the afternoon when we got back, but Libby and April's cousin and my sister came round and did a bit of playing, and we had some lovely lunch, and then everybody went home, and then it was pretty much bedtime by then. So yeah, it was a very, very nice day. So the sun is shining again today. Gosh, we've been so lucky with this weather at the moment. And we have come to Sainsbury's
Do you have a car wash?
to get our car washed. I've never been through an automated car wash in my life. Neither has Libby and neither has April, but Libby requested that we do that. I did try and persuade her just to wash the car at home. But I think she's seen a car wash on one of those CBB shows. How is it? What was it called? Can't remember. It's the one with Maddie. How's it made, or how does it work, or something like that. So she was determined she wanted to go through a car wash. So that's what we're doing today. And then Ryan's nan and mum and sister and niece are coming round because they've been to Cardiff for the weekend, which I was going to go as well, but Ryan was at work, so I wasn't able to. They're coming round this afternoon in about an hour, I think. And April will get some more birthday presents. More birthday presents. Wow, they just keep coming, don't they? Gonna see Nanny soon. She's got a lot of words today, apparently. I remember what that programme was called. It's called Do You Know? Do you know? That song.
Find out.
Yeah, let's find out. That's that programme. It's a good one, actually. I've learned loads of stuff from that programme. And also, when I say that I've not been through an automated car wash in my life, that's a lie. I have been through one several times. I've just never actually driven my own car through one. So I'm slightly nervous, actually. Can you tell that we're bored waiting for our turn? Because I'm just talking absolute crap at the camera now. Only 2 more cars to go, Libby, and then it's our turn. That car's nearly finished, then another car, and then us.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, no one on the front then.
Ready for the rollers?
Ready.
It's going to be loud. They're coming, ready? Can you see them? It's washing the front of the car.
It's not noisy. It's not loud. There it is! Sounds like it's taking our car.
Oh, here we go!
I got scared. It's coming.
it goes! Woo! It's
Night
gone off now.
time! I mean, that was night time, it was.
How did you enjoy the car wash, Libby?
It was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
The guard you went through?
Yeah.
Something went a bit wrong with it. It kind of finished washing the car and then it still kept saying stop on the little illuminated sign thing. And it didn't do anything for ages, so I thought, maybe it's not going to dry the car. So I just started to drive forward and then it was like, reverse, reverse. So I went back and thought, oh, maybe it'll start now. Got lots? No, just still said stop. And nothing happened. So I drove out and went in and they said, I don't know why that had happened. So they refunded the money and they've given me a voucher to go back and have a deluxe wash another time. So maybe we'll go next weekend and get that done. But at least we didn't get stuck in there and nothing too disastrous went wrong. So that was good. And we've had everybody round this afternoon. We've all been in the garden. And April had some more presents, didn't you? You had a couple of nice new outfits and a couple of toys to go on her water table, like a boat and things. So that was very nice to see everybody.
The new octopus and the spade.
Oh yeah, spade and a little octopus. And now we're having lunch in the garden again. We've had lunch in the garden every day for ages, haven't we?
Yeah.
Like a week. It's been lovely and it's set to continue apparently. So hopefully it continues into half term, which is in 2 weeks' time. Fingers crossed. Right, kids have gone inside. It's too hot for them. April's had a nap and Libby's just chilling out in front of the TV for half an hour or so because she's pretty hot and bothered. I've got tea in the oven and I'm about to plant on some of these sweet corn plants. They're looking really good, but they're too tall for the propagator now, so I'm going to put them into bigger pots. I will end the weekly vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would do that. And I will see you very soon for another video. Bye!